In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use filters on Google Sheets. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So as you can see for this tutorial, I have done the days of the week, so Monday to Sunday, and just some numbers and things like that. So for example, what I could do is I could filter it down to a certain day or just leave a couple of days there. And if I want to do this, what I would do is I would go to the column that I want to filter. So for this example here, I'm going to filter the days of the week. So I would click on this column here and then I would come to this top bar. And then if you go all the way to the end and just click this little filter icon. So to create a filter, you can click that. And then you can go down back over to the column and then click on this little icon here. Once you click on this little icon, as you can see, if you scroll down a little bit, there is options for the days of the week. So if I wanted to remove, Saturday and Sunday, I would uncheck those. And then if I wanted to also get rid of, let's say, Tuesday and Wednesday, what I would do is I would scroll down, find Tuesday and Wednesday, and then uncheck them. And then I would simply click on OK. And then as you can see there, I am just left with Monday, Thursday, and Friday. And you can also do this with anything, so numbers, names, places, anything like that. So that's how you can go ahead and use filters on Google Sheets.